Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Binance exchange. Now first of all open the Binance application, and once you're at the home page, so you will see multiple options. So from the bottom right corner, just click on the assets, and once you click on the assets, so you will see all the crypto assets that are, let's say, available or listed inside your history inside the Binance. So let's say you already have some USDT in your account or any other currency, and let's say I want to trade with USDT. So on the USDT inside the crypto section, I will see these two options, either earn or trade. Like these are two options, earn or trade. So just click on the trade option, which is the second option. And once you click on trade, they will ask you like you want to convert currency from USD to XRP. I just need to select my currency XRP, and let's say how many USD do I want to convert to XRP. I'll say like 250, and in return I'll get 83 XRP. Just click on preview, and once you enter that, they will ask you to, like, as you can see, I don't have available balance of USDT. So if I had a available balance, I will instantly see an option to buy the, or you can say exchange the currency from USD to XRP. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can buy or exchange XRP on the Binance exchange.